Hi there! In this tutorial we'll learn how to convert from PDF to Word, and I'll teach you the easiest way to do it. So, let's begin. Here is our PDF file. If this tutorial is useful to you, please support us. Just like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you in advance. So, go to your browser, just type PDF to Word. Go to the first site, drag and drop your PDF file or select it. I just select it. And here it is. Press Convert to Word and wait a little. Boom! Here it is. Download it. I move it onto my desktop. Here it is. If it's original PDF file, you can edit the Word file. And in case you want to convert it to PDF, it's very easy. Just go to File, press Save As, this PC, and here the key moment is. Just select PDF. Save it. Boom! Here it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for your support.